welcome to this next video on calculus of variation, previous year's questions. In this video we are going to solve June 2011 question, which is of 3 marks. This is a very simple question. In this question you are asked that the variational problem of extremizing the functional, this functional is given to you, and with these boundary conditions, these are the specified boundary conditions at the boundary point 0 and 2 pi, where y is given to be 1 1, has you have to suggest whether there is a unique solution, exactly two solutions, infinite number of solutions, or no solution. So let's get started. The Euler's equation would be f of y minus d dx of f y dash is equal to 0. This implies, in this case, this is our f. So what is the derivative of this f partially with respect to y? That would be minus 2y minus d dx as it is, and the derivative of this f partially with respect to y dash, that would be 2y dash is equal to 0. So this would give us y plus y double dash is equal to 0. Let us write this equation in operator form. So we'll have d square plus 1 into y is equal to 0, where what is this d? D is the derivative of y with respect to x, simply derivative with respect to x, right? So let us solve this operator equation. So d square plus 1 equal to 0. So we have from here d is equal to plus minus iota. Corresponding to this d, we have y is equal to c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x. So this is our solution. Now depending on these arbitrary constants c1 and c2, we can decide whether this is a unique solution. If we have a particular value of c1 and particular value of c2, then we can specify that it is a unique solution, or we have a plus minus here, so we can say that it has two solutions. And if these constants can take multiple values, so in that case we would have infinite number of solutions, or we have if there's a clash between the two values at the boundary, then it would be having no solution. So let us see what is the case here. So let's apply the boundary conditions. We are given y at 0 is equal to 1. So let us substitute it here. So we have y is equal to 1, c1 as it is, cos of 0 plus c2 sin of 0. You know, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So we have c1 is equal to 1, right? So let us apply another condition, y of 2 pi is equal to 1. So here we have 1 equals to c1 cos of 2 pi plus c2 sin of 2 pi. So you know sin 2 pi is 0. So we have c1 cos 2 pi is 1. So again c1 equal to 0. So from these two conditions we cannot determine what c2 is. So c2 in our case could take any value. So the final solution would be y is equal to c1 is 1. So we have cos x plus c2 as it is sin of x. So this is the final solution, that is the extremal, and here c is arbitrary, c2 is arbitrary, that is it may take any value. So we can say that the solution to this would have an infinite number of solutions. So there are infinite number of extremals to the given functional with these boundary conditions. So option C is the correct option. Thank you for watching the video.